Hey guys, in this video, I will give you an in-depth look at Zeria Tanning Drops. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. Zeria Tanning Drops have recently gained attention as an innovative approach to achieving a sun-kissed glow without UV exposure. These oral supplements claim to enhance melanin production, resulting in a natural tan. However, potential users should carefully consider various factors before deciding to use this product. Product claims and ingredients. According to the official website, Zeria Tanning Drops are formulated to boost melanin production, leading to a gradual tan within 5 to 7 days of consistent use. The product also emphasizes skin hydration and elasticity, aiming for a smooth, glowing complexion. User experiences. User reviews are mixed. Some individuals report positive outcomes, noting a noticeable tan and improved skin hydration after regular use. For instance, a Reddit user mentioned achieving a bronze tan despite having fair skin that typically burns easily. Conversely, others have expressed dissatisfaction, citing issues such as delayed shipping, lack of noticeable results, and concerns about the product's origin. One user reported a significant delay in receiving the product and questioned its efficacy. Safety and efficacy concerns. The concept of ingestible tanning products is relatively new, and scientific validation is limited. Some discussions highlight skepticism about the effectiveness of drinkable tanning solutions, suggesting that the science may not support such claims. Additionally, the lack of detailed ingredient information and comprehensive clinical studies raises questions about the product's safety and efficacy. Conclusion. While Zeria Tanning Drops offer an intriguing alternative to traditional tanning methods, potential users should exercise caution. The mixed user reviews, limited scientific backing, and concerns about product transparency suggest that further research and consultation with a healthcare professional are advisable before use. And that's it.